Hello guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Trollstore 2 on your supported devices and iOS versions. Yes, the Trollstore 2 is released with more support. Now it's available for both KFT based devices and MDC aka Mac Dirty Code supported devices. I am showing you both ways to install Trollstore 2 on MDC and KFT based devices for free both on Mac and Windows. You can see the supported iOS versions and devices on your screen right now. Although Trollstore 2 does support iOS 17, but the installation method isn't available for that yet. I will update it once it's ready. You can subscribe for more updates. Apart from this, there are iOS versions which are supported by the Trollstore, but you need to be jailbroken for that. Okay guys, you need these files to have Trollstore 2 on supported devices. The process is same for both Mac and Windows, but for the Windows version, you do need to install iTunes from the Apple web, not from the Microsoft Store. I will show you from where you can get that, but installing Misaka app for Trollstore 2 is a must in both cases for both Trollstore KFT and MDC. You can install the Misaka with sideloading, which is the easiest way to install Misaka app on your device. I am showing you how to install Misaka, but not how to install sideloading first. I already have uploaded comprehensive tutorials on both sideloading Mac and sideloading Windows. I will put the links up in the cards and in the description below to these tutorials. So let's start the process to download all these required files, but before that, hit the like button so the YouTube push this video to the other users looking for the Trollstore 2 tutorial. Also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Now open the browser. I am showing you the source from where you get all the things at one place. Search for Trollstore 2 Tech Acrobat. Go to this link. It's a comprehensive guide for Trollstore 2 with all the sources for Mac and Windows. Here, scroll down to this section and download the Misaka IPA from here. It will open the official GitHub page link. And from here, download the latest version of the Misaka according to your device. If you have M1 or M2 device, which are a few iPads, then download the M1, M2 version, otherwise download the other version. Now, just a little below, if you are a Windows user, download the iTunes from the Apple web from this given link. You can install the iCloud as well, but make sure you uninstall the iTunes from the Microsoft Store if you have that on your PC, and then install this. Then again a little below, here is the Trollstore 2 MDC IPA which we will download from the iPhone to install through the Misaka app. Now let's install the Misaka app first. Before that, if you are new to my channel, hit the like button and the subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. Attach your device with the PC and open the sideloading on your computer. Here, one more thing. If you are on the Windows PC and just install the iTunes from Apple, do a restart before you install the sideloading or follow the process. Once it's opened, put in your Apple ID, then select the Misaka app and click on the start button. It will ask you to put in the password for your Apple ID if you are doing it for the very first time. And if it asks you for the other things, then watch my complete sideloading guides mentioned below for Windows and Mac. As you can see, the Misaka app is installed on my device. Now you need to work on the Tips app. First, if it's already installed on your device, remove the Tips app and then install it again through the App Store. Moreover, if you do not have the Tips app already on your device, just install it from the App Store. Once it's installed, restart your device and come back. Now after the restart, I need to download the Trollstore 2 IPA for MDC. For that, open the browser on your iPhone or iPad and go to this link again. Type Trollstore 2 Tech Acrobat. Go to this link. Scroll down to this section and tap on this Download Trollstore MDC IPA and tap on the download. Guys, if you have made this far in this video, consider hitting the like and the subscribe button. Once the IPA is downloaded, Now I will show you how to install Trollstore 2 IPA MDC with the Misaka app. Although my device's version isn't supported for the installation method yet, but do it as I say and show. Open the Misaka app. It will ask you to trust the app first if you just installed it. For that, go to the settings, general, VPN and device management, tap on the Apple ID and trust the app. Moreover, if you are on iOS 16 and above iOS versions, you do need to enable the developer mode on your device. For that, go to the privacy section. There, scroll down at the bottom. There you will find the developer mode option. Enable that. It will ask you to restart the device to enable it completely. After enabling both of these things, you will be able to open the Misaka app. Open it. Go to the packages option. Tap on the import button at the top. Then select the Trollstore 2 MDC IPA. It will be imported here. But as I mentioned earlier, my iOS version isn't supported for the Trollstore yet without jailbreak. Therefore, I am facing this error. But you will not if your device and iOS versions are supported. Once Trollstore IPA is imported here, tap on the middle icon at the top right corner. It will respring the springboard and you will have the Trollstore helper on your device in the Tips app. Open the Tips app. You will see the Trollstore helper here and a button to install Trollstore. Tap on the Install Trollstore button and it will be installed on your device. This is how to install Trollstore 2 MDC on your device. Now I will show you how to install Trollstore 2 on the KFT supported devices. For that, again you need to have the Misaka app on your device. Now in this case you do not need to install the Trollstore KFT IPA file. You can directly install it on your device from the Misaka app. Let me just show you. Now again, if you just install the Misaka app, you need to do the Tips app steps again, which I showed you earlier. Once you are ready, open the Misaka app, go to the packages option, tap on this box at the bottom left corner, and here you can see an option to install Trollstore. Tap on it, then tap on the Tips option on the next screen. It is disabled for me because my device's version isn't supported for the Trollstore installation yet without jailbreak. As you tap on the Tips, it will install the Trollstore helper within the Tips app for you. Once it's done, open the Tips app. There you will have the Trollstore helper. Tap on the Install Trollstore option and it will install it on your device. Unfortunately guys, I cannot show you the process because my device isn't supported for the Trollstore without jailbreak, and for the iOS 17 the installation method hasn't yet been released. This is guys how to download and install Trollstore 2 on KFT and MDC based devices on Windows and Mac, on iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below so I can guide you. Thank you for watching.